guys, it's Sherelle from El Rey Designs, and today we are going to be working on revamping my business. I do this about every year, try to just change things up, freshen it up, make it somewhat a little bit better. And today I'm going to be making stickers for my outside packaging, and I'm also going to be making stickers to include inside the packaging as freebies to the customers, because I don't include any freebies yet, and I do want to start including freebies. So I'm thinking of going on the line of stickers and maybe making custom little like hair ties. So stay tuned for that as well, because we might do that. But yeah, today we are making stickers. So I am making these thank you stickers right here. This I just got off of Canva. So I designed it in Canva, edited it a little bit, and then I saved it as a PNG. And I am going to be printing and cutting everything in the Silhouette Studio Business Edition. And so I have the thank you stickers. These are for the outside of my packaging. And then I'm printing some of these. I'm not doing a whole bunch right now. I'm just seeing how it's going to work out, and if I actually like them when they're printed. So I have these right here. I try to find things that matched with my color theme. I have kind of like a boho color theme. The nudes, the blush pinks, and the like dark yellows and colors, basically like that. Basically whatever looks like this. These are my colors. So all these right here I found on Creative Fabrica. That's where I find most of my images, as I tell you guys all the time. So I have these right here. And then I also have these right here that I'll be doing as well, just to give a little option for little freebies. I'll probably give like 2 or 3 stickers per order, or maybe 2 stickers in a hair elastic. So we will see. But yeah, so this is what I am going to be cutting out. I am going to be printing this printer with my Epson EcoTank printer. I have the 2720, I believe, but any printer that prints high quality will work. I am also going to be printing these with the Koala paper. I have 2 different types, so I'm going to be printing each design on both papers to see how they come out and see which one I like better. So I have the Koala regular vinyl sticker paper. That's for inkjets, and it is a glossy finish. And I also have the Koala holographic printable vinyl sticker paper as well, which I think is going to be really cute. So I'm going to just follow the directions on the packaging and print with those settings. So for the holographic settings, I am going to be printing it on glossy photo paper, the print quality standard, and it has to be regular inkjet ink. And then for the Koala vinyl sticker paper, I believe it's the same settings. Yeah, so it's the same settings. I'm going to print it on the glossy photo paper. If you don't have that settings, it's going to be specialty paper glossy, or other photo papers. And the print quality is going to be best. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to print those, wait a little bit, because sometimes it will be a little wet. Not too sure how these work yet. And then we are going to cut it on my slot machine. Okay, you guys, so these are the papers. So this is the Koala, the regular inkjet vinyl sticker paper, and it's just like glossy paper. And then this is the Koala printable vinyl sticker paper and holographic. It looks just like this. And I did take it out so you can see. I'm pretty sure you see in the corner. It is so cute. Like, look at that. I'm excited to see how this one prints out. So I already have it in my printer. I'm going to print them. Again, it tells you the settings right on the back of them, as you can see. So this is what I'm doing. Photo paper glossy, standard. And then this one is the same photo paper glossy, but it is best. So we're going to print them and see how they come out. Okay, so this is how the stickers came out. The white is the regular vinyl sticker papers. These are how these ones came out. And then I did one of each of these ones. One in the regular vinyl and one in the holographic vinyl. So now we're going to cut it with our Cameo machine. And I just have my mat here. I'm gonna line that up. I like to use this tool here to really adhere all of my work to the mat. I do have my Cameo here.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind.
Okay, you guys, this is everything cut out. So I really like the regular printable vinyl sticker paper. This is how it came out. These, all the white ones are that. But these, I'm gonna just leave on this sheet. And I would just, and when the time comes, I will just peel it off like this. And I will stick it on my packaging. So my boxes, my silicone bags, anything like that, I will just stick these to. So those are those. I didn't cut these completely out because they're for personal use for me, so I don't need them to be completely cut out. These I did cut out. These I cut on white sticker paper settings on my Cameo. These I cut on the cardstock heavy settings, and I adjusted the blade depth to 7. The force was 30 and the speed was 6. Those are my settings. That's worked for me, and all of these came out perfectly. As you see, they are individual stickers. So I literally just take some of these, put them in a little baggie, and send it off as little freebies. So these came out so good. Now when it came to the holographic vinyl, I'm not gonna lie, I struggled a lot with it. I just think the Cameo machine and the Cricut machines, their sensors are not that great when it comes to reading registration marks, because I don't just have trouble with the holographic vinyl. I had a lot of trouble in the past getting my print and cut right. Like I just finally got like my regular print and cut, like plain paper, perfect. Glossy is still a hit or miss because it reflects onto their little camera thing and it just isn't good. So I did not get too many stickers out of that. I did get some I was able to salvage, and they came like this. They do look so cute though, so I'm a little upset that my machine could not cut them out. But I will definitely try it again. I played a lot of settings, and you know, I did get some. I tried the low light, the highlight. I tried using the tape where you would tape over the registration marks. But yeah, this is what I got out of it. I am looking into getting another cutter, the StarCraft Solo, because I heard that camera is just crazy with registration marks, and it cuts like 100% perfect once you master it every single time. And I've seen people cut holographic vinyl with that, and I think this will work really good if you have that cutter, or you have a really high-end cutter and not the Cameo or the Cricut machines. But other than that, I really like the papers. I will have them linked down below for you guys if you want to try. But I think these are such a cute idea. Just, you know, customers love freebies, and they will eat no matter what it is, no matter how little it is. Like these stickers, like these cost pretty much nothing. But the thought of you giving them something free, they're going to most likely come back. They're going to remember that you gave something free. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye now.